Bagi saya, apabila kita sebut Saga ni ialah satu nama yang agak emosional lah. Ya. Kalau kita lihat kembali dalam sejarah, kalau tak silap saya, ini tahun 2025, nama Saga ni umurnya dah 40 tahun. Tapi bukan dia punya jangka hayat yang penting. Yang penting ni signifikan nama tu kepada rakyat Malaysia lah. Khusus pada Proton lah. Kan.
Where were we 40 years ago? We started from scratch. We relied on others. Today, Proton is on its own. We have our own engineers, experts in all fields. From the time you map the drawing of the car, right up to producing the car.
Desain lampu depan, lampu belakang yang diterapkan dengan teknologi baru yang daripada segi keselamatan diberi keutamaan daripada segi luaran.
Now, many of the features, for example, the ADAS system that is incorporated in the latest model, you have many anti-collision warnings, okay, included in the Proton Saga, is something that is new, that is perhaps I think normal people would not expect it to be in the Proton Saga.
Saga-saga yang pertama sekali, kalau kita tengoklah, dia punya engine compartment tu macam kosong, engine dia kecil. Tapi yang ni, kalau kita tengoklah, dia macam compact lah, nampak mahal dan nampak powerful lah. Quite big change.
I look at the new Saga. It's like a new identity that Proton is creating to be synonym with the other sister models. And the safety standard is so high. Kita ada NCAP rating that we are passing through dengan active safety-nya, dengan passive safety-nya. The front light and the rear light are full LED. And this, you're getting this only in its class. Nobody else in the competitors are getting this. With the new Saga, I'm always very excited to see the new Proton. And I hope that the new Saga will be well accepted by the Malaysian person. It's a real gift from Proton. Nothing else that you could hope for. That's the best.
So I hope 4th generation Saga will be able to go same approach to optimize the cost and give a better value to the customer.
Dan kita yakin dengan harga yang mampu bilik, Proton Saga akan terus mempunyai tempat yang istimewa di hati rakyat Malaysia, insyaAllah.
So itu harapan saya supaya kereta ni bukan saja murah ataupun reasonable, tetapi mempunyai features yang tersendiri yang boleh bertanding dengan produk-produk lain.